Having trouble connecting your ASUS monitor to your MacBook Air or Pro via USB-C? You're not alone. While progress has been made, compatibility issues persist. This video will guide you through common problems and effective solutions, focusing on DisplayPort Alt-Mode and adapter usage for a seamless connection. We'll cover fixes applicable as of December 2025. USB-C is versatile, carrying video signals, power, and data through a single cable. This is the foundation of modern connections. DisplayPort Alt-Mode is key. It lets USB-C carry video signals without needing separate cables. Check your ASUS monitor's back panel. Look for USB-C ports that support DP Alt-Mode. For compatibility issues, try a USB-C to HDMI adapter as a bridge solution. Ensure you're using cables that can handle DisplayPort signals and power delivery. With these basics in mind, most ASUS monitor to MacBook connections can be made to work reliably. DisplayPort Alt-Mode, or DP Alt-Mode, is crucial for sending video signals over USB-C. It allows your MacBook to communicate directly with your ASUS monitor. DP Alt-Mode multiplexes DisplayPort signals over the USB-C cable lanes, enabling high-resolution video transmission. However, proper negotiation between your Mac and monitor is key. They must handshake correctly to establish the connection. Most ASUS monitors support DP Alt-Mode, embedding DisplayPort protocols in their USB-C ports for resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz or higher. Mismatches can occur if the monitor's firmware doesn't handshake correctly, or if your Mac's USB-C controller lacks full compatibility. Start with the basics. Restart both your MacBook and ASUS monitor to clear any temporary glitches. Ensure your macOS is up to date by checking for software updates in System Preferences. Update your ASUS monitor's firmware using Armoury Crate software, which is compatible with Macs. Open System Preferences and select Displays to verify your monitor is detected and configured correctly. For Intel-based Macs, reset NVRAM or PRAM by holding Option-Command-PR during startup. Power delivery can cause issues if the monitor draws too much power, potentially overloading your MacBook. When direct USB-C connection to an ASUS monitor fails, especially on older MacBooks, adapters become essential to bridge the compatibility gap. USB-C to HDMI or DisplayPort adapters are commonly needed. These convert the signal to formats that older MacBooks or certain monitors can recognize. Always use high-quality cables. Official ASUS cables are recommended to ensure reliable 4K at 60 Hz support and proper bandwidth handling. Avoid cheap third-party cables, as they may not handle the required bandwidth, leading to connection failures. Thunderbolt adapters can resolve issues in older setups with USB-C limitations. Let's examine real-world examples of ASUS monitor connections to MacBooks. First, the ASUS VG289Q achieved flawless connectivity to a 2024 MacBook Pro M2 after a firmware update, delivering smooth 1440p resolution at 144 Hz through DisplayPort Alt-Mode. Next, the ProArt PA278QV needed a macOS beta update for initial detection, but a reliable USB-C to DisplayPort cable offered a quick fallback, enabling crisp 4K resolution at 60 Hz. Lastly, older, tough VG27AQ models were limited to 1080p with pre-2018 MacBook Pros, but switching to a Thunderbolt adapter resolved the issue completely. Experts emphasize that many connection issues stem from firmware mismatches, not hardware faults. Proactive firmware updates are crucial. Statistics show ASUS monitors have an 85% success rate with Macs, slightly behind Dell, but still significant. Community fixes resolve a large percentage of cases, highlighting the importance of shared knowledge. By 2027, integrated diagnostics in macOS are predicted to eliminate most of these issues. Universal USB-C ecosystems are emerging, with widespread adoption across devices. ASUS is integrating more Mac-compatible features into their monitors. Thunderbolt 4 FEV adoption is rising, allowing daisy chaining of multiple monitors. Expect AI-assisted auto-detection in future macOS updates, reducing manual troubleshooting. ASUS plans to embed machine learning in firmware for real-time compatibility adjustments. Sustainability trends favor USB-C, aiming to reduce cable clutter and promote eco-friendly setups. To summarize troubleshooting ASUS monitors on MacBooks, start with quick fixes. Restart both devices, ensure macOS is updated, and check System Preferences under Displays for proper detection. Use high-quality cables and adapters if needed. Official ASUS cables ensure proper bandwidth and power delivery. Keep your monitor's firmware updated. Use ASUS software to download updates and apply them via USB for better Mac compatibility. Understand DP Alt-Mode and its limitations. It enables video over USB-C, but older hardware may require adapters for optimal performance. Remember, the future of connectivity is universal USB-C, with AI-assisted troubleshooting on the horizon. Check the description for helpful links and resources.